Hello my dear students, welcome to NAK Academy. In this video I'm going to complete exercise number 8, which is in page number 57 of your Cambridge Mathematics, the extended third edition. This video is for the students who are in grade 9 and grade 10. So this is a exercise continue from the lesson algebra. Under algebra we discussed already about substitution. I did couple of exercises before with my previous video, so this is the continuation of that. So exercise number 8 in page number 57. So we are supposed to evaluate few algebraic expressions. So the values are given as a equals to 4, b equals to -2, and c equals to -3. So the first expression is a times of b plus c. So I'm going to replace the value or substitute the values. A is 4 and b is -2 plus c equals to -3. So first I must simplify the bracket. So that is -2 -3, because plus into minus is minus. So -2 -3 is equals to -5. So 4 multiplied by -5, 4 plus into minus, that is minus. 4 multiplied by 5 is equals to -20. The second question is a square within bracket b minus c. So a square means 4 square, b is -2, again -3. So in here we get 16, and within bracket -2 and +3, because minus into minus is equals to plus. So -2 plus 3 is equals to +1. So 16 multiplied by 1 is equals to 16. And the third question is 2c times of a minus c. So 2c is equals to -3. So 2 multiplied by -3 within brackets. A is again 4 minus c is again -3. So here I get -6, and within bracket 4 minus into minus is plus. 4 plus 3, so 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. And question number 4 is b square within brackets 2a plus 3c. So again b square means -2 square within brackets 2 times of a equals to 4 plus 3 times of c equals to -3. So here I get 4 and 8 plus into minus is minus. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So 8 minus 9 is equals to -1. 4 multiplied by -1 is equals to -4. That is up to question number 4. Let's go to the next question. That is question number 5. C square within bracket b minus 2a. So c square is equals to c is equals to -3. So -3 whole thing is a square. Again b is -2 minus 2 times of a, that is 4. So here I get 9, and within bracket -2 minus into plus. So here I must multiply these two numbers, that is -8. So -2 minus 8 is equals to -10. -10 multiplied by 9 is equals to -90. Question number 6, that is 2a square within bracket b plus c. So again I substitute the values. A is 4, so 2 multiplied by 4 whole thing is a square. B is -2 plus -3. So 4 square is 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is equals to 32. And again here -2 plus into minus is -3. -2 -3 is equivalent to -5. So -5 again multiplied by 32 is equals to 5 2s are 10, 1 remain. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16, that is -100. 60. Let's go to question number 7. So question number 7 is 2 times of a plus b plus c. So that is 2 times of a is equals to 4 and b is equals to -2 and c is equals to -3. So again here I get 4. When I simplify this, plus into minus is -2, again plus into minus is -3. So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Here I get 2. 2 minus 3 is -1. So I get ultimately -1 here. So 2 multiplied by -1 is equals to -2. And question number 8, 3c a minus b minus c. So 3 multiplied by c is -3. Within bracket, a is equals to 4 minus b is equals to -2 and again -3. So outside the bracket, if I simplify, this is -9, and again here minus into minus is plus, so 4 plus 2, again minus into minus is plus 3. So within bracket I get 9, so -9 multiplied by +9, which is -81. That is question number 8. Let's go to question number 9. So question number 9 is b square plus 2b plus a. So b is -2, so -2 whole thing is a square, plus 2 times of -2 again, and plus a is equals to 4. So -2 square is equals to 4. Plus multiply by minus is -4 and again +4. So I can cancel this +4 and -4, that is 0. 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. Question number 10, that is c square minus 3c. So that is -3c plus a. So again c is -3, substitute -3, so -3 is square, 3 times of -3 plus a equals to 4. So -3 square is equals to 9, again minus into minus is plus, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 again, and plus 4. So altogether 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 4 equals to 22. So as you can see, it's first you carefully substitute the values corresponding to the letters, and then check whether any multiplication operation to be take place to multiply. Then you can simplify the values. So let's go to the question number 11. 2b square minus 3b. So 2 times of b is equals to -2. So -2 square, again -3 multiplied by -2. 2 multiplied by 4, again minus into minus is plus, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So first check the multiplication operation. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. And question number 12, that is a square plus c square whole thing is a square root. So if I substitute the values, a is 4, so 4 square plus c is -3, -3 whole thing is a square, and square root. So 4 square is equal to 16, -3 square is equals to 9. So the square root value I get here 25. Square root of 25 is equals to 5. That is question number 12. Let's go to question number 13. So question number 13 is ab plus c square whole thing is a square root. So again a equals to 4, so I apply 4 multiplied by b is equals to -2 plus c is equals to -3, that is whole thing is a square. So here I get plus multiply by minus is minus 8 and plus 9. Eventually that is equals to square root of 1, that is equals to 1. And question number 14 is c square minus b square whole thing is a square root. So I have c is minus 3, so minus 3 whole thing is a square, minus b is minus 2 whole thing is a square, that is 9 minus 4 equal 4. So 9 minus 4 is square root of 5. We have two more questions. Question number 15, that is b square over a plus 2c over b. So b square, again b is equals to minus 2, so minus 2 whole thing is a square over a is equals to 4 plus 2 times of c equals to minus 3 over b is equals to minus 2. So if I simplify here, I get 4 over 4 and I keep this plus remain as it is. Here plus multiply by minus is minus 6 over minus 2. So as you can see here, I can divide these values. 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1, plus I can cancel this negative or minus, and I can divide 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So eventually I get 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4. So 4 is my answer. And the last question is question number 16, that is c square over b plus 4b over a. So I am substituting the values. Minus 3 whole thing is a square over b is equals to minus 2 and plus 4 times of again b is equals to minus 2 over a is equals to 4. So here minus 3 square is 9 over minus 2, and plus here I get minus 8 over 4. So as you can see, if I just simplify this value into decimal, here I get 4.5, that is minus, and when I simplify here I get 4 divided by 4 is 1, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So again plus into minus, so I must multiply this operator and get the final operator, that is minus plus into minus is minus 2. So my final answer is minus 4.5 minus 2 is equals to minus 6.5, or in fraction I can say minus 6.5. So I have completed first 16 question under the exercise 8. So there are a couple of questions which goes up to question number 50, so which I will cover with my next upcoming videos. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel NAK Academy. Thank you, children.